Going to Colorado! Woo! Holy cow, we're still driving across Wyoming. It's been a long day. We started at 9 o'clock and it's almost 3. We still got to get into Colorado. I think we only got 20 more miles and we're there.
Woo! Finally.
It's almost dark, but we're almost there.
Wow. It's very interesting.
Yes, this is a pretty sweet looking canyon.
I have never seen rock like this before. Look at all them layers. You see the elk?
Yeah, she just waved me on. Okay.
Holy crap.
Welcome to Estes Park. The elk are in Main Street.
Oh my gosh.
They just stand in the middle of the road. We got an elk traffic jam.
Oh my gosh.
Went from donkey traffic jams to elk traffic jams.
Yeah, the donkey was nothing like this.
Estes Park!
And it's so cute how they go in a herd to stay safe.
Welcome everybody to Off-Road 801. This is going to be a different kind of adventure. We are in the mountains. I've never been here, so this is an adventure, and we're going to take you along. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This is where we're staying. This is our rustic cabin we're staying in. It's got 4 beds and 1 bed in that room. 2 beds upstairs in the loft. And 1 bed in the sofa. Fireplace, bathroom and kitchen, of course. Good place to stay. Not too expensive. Here's the view from up in the loft. Love the loft. Reminds me of my grandparents' cabin. We're in Estes Park in Colorado. We planned this probably 6 months ago. One of my friends invited me and said, hey, you want to go up to a festival? I said, sure. We're gonna go to the whiskey warm-up today. Show you guys. After the whiskey starts flowing though, I probably won't show that because I don't want to trip and fall. But come along, we'll show you around Estes Park. Well, we got here a little late last night. After the ELK traffic jam, we went out to dinner. And by the time we got done eating dinner, it was already dark, so we didn't get to see much of this place. But this morning we got to see it, and it's beautiful. I don't want to leave. I'm definitely going to have to come back when the snow melts, because right now Rocky Mountain National Park is closed. At least the scenic byway that goes through it, where I wanted to go, it's closed for the winter. I had a feeling. So no big deal. I will be back. So we're gonna go finish getting ready so we can get down to the festival in time. So I'll see you back in town. Well, we were trying to drive into town, but then we seen these guys. I had to stop, check them out. They got some big old antlers still. Where'd the other one go?
He's like just posing. Look at the rack on them.
Yeah, it's a huge rack.
Whiskey warm-up!
The whiskey festival is right next to this cool cliff.
Well, I know he's here.
Are we going the right way? Oh, I gotta get some pictures today.
Estes Park!
Estes Park! Like that, Amber?
Where'd he go?
Well, we got a nice little blizzard going.
Hold on, I gotta take a picture of. Kurt, I'm glad you keep doing that.
Is it reminding you?
Nothing damn good and beers.
Yeah, they smell good.
Them beers. Buy food. Gonna get your own damn folks. Even that cute.
I want 4.
Yeah, there's 2.
Hey, put that one upside down. Okay, you saved it.
3, 4.
Uh-oh. Flip it.
5,
Oh, it stayed just barely.
6.
Okay, you need to take some. My plate can't handle anymore.
Take it some too. Just to get the sausages and everything go too. Check that bad boy out.
I am.
Yeah, yeah. Throw them on there. Good times, good times.
Well, that was a fun weekend. We had a good time at the whiskey warm-up. This is a beautiful place. I can't wait till I can come back and explore it a little bit better. But we were just here for the whiskey warm up. We'll be back. So if you like whiskey festivals, I recommend this one. It was like all you can drink whiskey basically once you buy your pass. But we're gonna get out of here. We got at least a 8-hour drive through the snow, so it'll probably take longer than that.
Oh my gosh. They're
They are.
everywhere.
There's the elkies.
They're way.
Tell your mom.
I'm sure they've seen them. Yeah.
That was cool. We just seen the herd of elk. How the green and the white looks pretty cool. All the pine trees got a nice frosting on them. It's only 15 degrees right here, but it's beautiful. That sign said slow down, dumb old dogs ahead.
Yeah. Don't hit our pets. I'm freezing. Aren't they beautiful?
It is cold.
Oh, look at those pretty babies. Rocky Mountain sheep.
Finally, we found some.
God, they're beautiful.
This is Highway 14, Colorado. Heading westbound. Pretty neat canyon. Too bad there was a wildfire here. I'm sure it looked a lot better, but it's still way cool. That river is pretty. Wow, this part of the canyon is sweet. We got some nice ice boogers today. I'll got to show you the Ninja Star on the back wheel. Well, we're almost to the Wyoming state line. Can you tell? Snow's going sideways across the road. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.